Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video we will going to start a new topic, membership and identity operators. In the last video already we discussed about the assignment operator and bitwise operators. Also we did some programs and we did some scenarios. I hope you got the clarity. If you haven't watched it, please do watch. Don't forget to subscribe my channels and click the bell icon for the future updates. Let's begin today's topic. What are the membership operators? Membership operators are used to check whether a value exists inside a sequence or collections. Types of membership operators. There is two types of the membership operators, in operator and not in operators. So where we are using in operators, in operators basically just checking the value is exist or not. If the value is present, that means it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Not in, not in we are using when we want to check the value should not be exist, then it will return true, otherwise false. Membership operators work with, so membership operators basically work with list, tuple, set, string, dictionary. And in dictionary we are not checking the value, we are checking the key. Let's do some program on membership operator. I'm creating here one programs and taking the input from the users, and I want to check here the raw is exist in entered name or not. So let's run this program. So you can see here the asking what is your name. I'm entering here the name Sriom Rao. Okay, let's enter here. So now you can see here returning here the true. Okay, why? Because you can see here I'm entering here the Sriom Rao. So Rao is exists in this. Now let's do some negative scenarios. Let's run again this one. I'm entering here Shivam Singh. Okay, now you can see here this one returning as a false because Rao is not exist in this sentence. Let's do some program based on the membership operators. I'm creating here one student list. I want to check my name is exist or not. Let's run this program so we can see the result. Now you can see here the output. The first one, Sriom is exist in a student list. True. Why true? Because you can see here the Sriom is exist in this list. Now the second one, the John is exist into student list or not. So you can see here John is exist here. Now the third one I'm just checking here the John. You can see all the character is small letter. So you can see here this one returning as a true and this one returning as a false. That means the membership operators works case sensitive. I'm checking here the Shivam is not exist in student list. I want to check here the Shivam not in. If Shivam not exist in student list, then it will return true. If exist, then definitely it will return false. Let's run this program so we can see the result. So you can see here the value is true. That means the Shivam is not exist in the student list. I hope you got the clarity about the membership operators. You can do the practice with tuple, set, string, dictionary. Now the next operator is identity operator. Identity operator to check whether two variables refer to the same object in memory, not just equal values. So there is two types of the identity operators, is and is not operator. Okay, so is operator we are just referring to the same object, and is not operator we are checking for the different object. Now let's do some program based on the identity operators. I'm creating here the two variables is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Okay, so I want to check print a is b. So now let's check for not. A is not b. Now let's run this program so we can see the result. Let's create one variable c is equal to 20. So now let's check B is C, C is not B. Let's run this program so we can see the result. Now let's create, so there is two lists M and N. Now let's check M is N or not. Okay, now let's run this program so we can see the result. Now you can see here the result is false. The memory location of M and memory location of N both are different. So that's the reason we are getting here false. But in integer case, the small integer are cached in the Python. So that's the reason B and C are same. I hope you got the clarity about the is operator. So and again, so there is one confusion. So what the difference between the double equal to and is? Double equal to operator just checking the values equal to, and is operator just checking the memory identity. Now you can see here there is one example to check the memory address is same or not. I'm just creating here s is equal to 123 and y is equal to 123. Both lists have the same value. So just checking here the x is y, no, because the memory address is different. Equality, just check whether the value of two objects are the same or not. Now let's run some program to check to use equal operator and is operators. So you can see here m is equal to 123, n is equal to 123. So m is n, that is returning here the false. I want to check m is equal to m or not. Let's run this program so we can see the result. I hope you got the clarity about the membership operators and identity operators and the difference between the equal and is operators. If you have any doubt or any concerns or any query, please add your comments. I will try to resolve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.